Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Suites Perrysburg. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The stylishly designed Comfort Suites Hotel is an ultimate luxury hotel. The hotel is conveniently located just 1 mile from Fort Meigs. This hotel is minutes from Bowling Green State University, the Stranahan Theater, the Toledo Zoo, the SeaGate Convention Center and COSI Toledo Hands-on Science Museum. Additional nearby points of interest include the Toledo Speedway, Raceway Park Harness Racetrack, the Toledo Botanical Garden, Valentine Theater and Fifth Third Field. The Toledo Express Airport is 11 miles away. Many shopping opportunities are located minutes from this Ohio hotel. A variety of restaurants is within walking distance. Hotel amenities and features include free wired and wireless high-speed internet access, boardroom and state-of-the-art fitness center. Your morning breakfast is full of hot options to start your day. Enjoy our free hot breakfast featuring eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more, including your choice of hot waffle flavors. If you're leaving early, a Sweet Success grab-and-go bag is available for the 2 hours prior to breakfast. All architecturally designed suites include 32-inch LCD television, luxurious bedding, stylish leather sofas and gallery lighting. Our Whirlpool suites feature a walk-in spa rain shower with multiple shower heads and 2 32-inch LCD televisions. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.